Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on basics of HTML, and in this video lecture we will be covering the JavaScript, and we will be going for this introduction of the JavaScript, the various objects in JavaScript, and how to write the JavaScript inside the HTML. Before that, you must have some idea about what is this JavaScript. You know that HTML is purely a presentational language. It is only for presentational purpose we are using it. So if you want to include some sort of programming concept inside that HTML program, then it can be dynamic. So to make it dynamic, we introduce what we call it as the JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is namesake, it is JavaScript. There is no concept of Java here. Here we uh, we try to introduce some sort of coding concept inside this HTML page. For the JavaScript, you can use the tag script. You can write it inside the head section, but there is no restriction. Anywhere, any part of this inside the body, at the beginning, at the end, anywhere you can use this JavaScript. Okay, so initially it started from this live script, but I am not going to tell you the history and the geography of all this the JavaScript. So how will you work on these things and how you get result? That is the only thing I'll be talking to you, right? So now let us come to first we try. So open any of the browsers. So this is the browser. After getting the browser, just right click and go for the inspect. Okay, click inspect. After inspecting, you can see one it is appearing it like this, and just you click the console here. Once you click the console here, okay, so this is the things are there, it is there. Now whatever the concept we are using in our JavaScript, let us run some small program. So for printing something, we write the console console, that you can see it at gentle sense console dot log. So this is the method, log method we will be using, the console dot log tab. So there I want to write something under single quotations, hello world. Okay, HELLO, hello, hello world tab, right? Hello world, it is there, hello. Okay, WORLD, hello world. You put it whatever things you want to write it here. Just I am putting it here, right? So what I have written, hello world, I have written it here. Now in this console.log method, so hello world, just I am typing, just enter, you can see the output is coming hello world. Can you see here, the output is coming hello world. Even if you can go for mathematical addition, so 2 into 8, 2 8 ja, so automatically it is showing result is equal to 16. Are you getting me? Similarly, suppose I want to put some alert. Okay, so in that case what you write, so write console, so console co, automatically it will come console dot alert dot alert. Suppose I want to put some console dot alert, so you write it, the what is the syntax you follow, and at the end you are putting a semicolon in the, so I write hello students, something, right? Okay, so hello students, hello students, welcome to JavaScript, say Java script, right? So this is the thing you have written it here, at the end you are putting a semicolon. So what will happen, it will show some alert, just you see it here, I am entering it here, console.alert, hello students, welcome to JavaScript. Uncut type error, console.alert. I think it is supposed to come, but why it is not coming, I don't know. It is in console, it is okay, dot alert. Okay, so in that case what you need to do, just you go for this only alert here, control C, okay, control V and enter. Yeah, can you see here? So console.alert means just printing purpose. So if you want to put alert, just I'm writing alert, hello students, welcome to JavaScript. Can you see here, it is showing some alert, hello students, welcome to JavaScript. Clear? So similarly you can have some other things. Say suppose I want to go for some warning, or I want to go some error. Okay, so okay, just you click it here. Once you click it, the alert will vanish. So again I'm writing here. I can write console, same thing, console. Just to type one or two, automatically IntelliSense will suggest you console dot error, err. So already by default error is going, just put tab. In this tab, so it is coming. Suppose this is a message, this is an error message, like that it has to say. Okay, what is the thing it has come? So this is an error message, message, right? So this is the thing I want to run it here. So what would happen? It will say it is a error message. Can you see here it is showing with red, and this is an error message it is showing. Are you getting me? So for error message, this cross mark with red, it will show the error message. So if you are using console.error, it will show is an error message. Suppose I want to go for this warning. Okay, console.warn, warn. Okay, wa, I just click it here. Warn, r is not there. W1. Okay, this is a warning message. Okay, this is a warning. This is a warning message, right? This is a warning message. Are you getting me? So now once I run it here, you see. So this is a warning. So for warning, it is different. No, the icon you can see it here for warning, the triangular, and just there. But for error, it is showing like this, right? So you can have a number of things that are assert and count, debug, all things we can get it here, right? So these are the some of the things what we can use it here in our. It is there in the console mode directly. You can see here. I just right click in any of the browser, and I have gone for no, I have already shown you there, and I are selecting only the console. Okay, so there whatever the commands directly are running. So this is the online mode. You can run all things, right? So this is one way of doing all things. There is another way of doing all things. So we can use any of the editors. You can use any of the editors. So for using any of the editor, anyway, let us do something here. Say suppose I go for declaring the variable. For variable, we can use either var, or you can use let, or you can use constant, constant. Okay, so I type something var, and variable, and I write a variable a, which is equal to 25. Say variable a is equal to 25, right? So undefined variable a is equal to 25. So suppose I want to change a which is equal to 67. Enter. Okay, so are you getting me? A is equal to, I'm putting 67. So if I want to console.log variable a, I want to console dot log tab console.log, and I want to get this a, right, and semicolon, put it here. So you can get it here. So variable a I defined 25, and again a I updated 67. When I'm calling this console.log, it is showing 67. Can you get it here? Similarly, we can also use let. Okay, so let. Okay, so yeah, tab let x is equal to 89. X is equal to 89 semicolon, enter. Okay, are you getting me? So now I want to get this value of x, console.log. So go for these things, console.log. Here just you change it with x. Here you go for this x. Okay, so now if you run this program, you can see the value of x is equal to 89. It is also coming, right? But if I use this constant, let us see what is happening. const constant, y is equal to, or I write constant, okay, right, y is equal to 3.141. say for example it is giving y is equal to 3. I'm writing it here, sorry, it is equal to 3.1.41 I have given. Okay, now semicolon. Okay, so enter. Now constant it has taken. Now I want to update y. I write y which is equal to 5.456 semicolon. Will it take? Guess what will happen? So it is showing error because here we are declaring y as a constant. So constant means throughout this program until the program is running, system is on, only take the value of y is equal to 3.141, right? So that is the difference between the variable let and constant. So you cannot modify all the things here directly, right? So you can do a lot of other things here also. So for example, we can go for the various data types. Using the data type also we can solve a number of things. We have the two type of data type. One is the primitive data types. The primitive data types means it directly assign value to the memory, right? For example, string, the number, boolean, null, undefined, and symbol. Symbol is recently added there, but we are not discussing about the symbol. It is not in our scope of discussion. So we can go for the string, we can go for the number, and you remember one thing, there is no concept of you are going for the floating point and all things. This concept is not there. Everything it takes as a number, right? So we'll be going for some example there. You can understand. Now, suppose I go for something. I declare it here. So I write let name not let name is equal to under name is equal to Gijana, something I want to put it here. Okay, let name is equal to I put it here. I write Gijana. Right. Let name is equal to Gijana. So semicolon enter here. So it has taken name it has taken. So let age is equal to say put it 60 semicolon, right? So let age is equal to 60. Now something I write let percentage, your past percentage or mtech percentage, let percentage so let percentage, I want to put some floating point, let percentage which is equal to 75 percentage, 75.67. Okay, let percentage is equal to 7.7. Put a semicolon there also. Okay, just to take it here, it has also accepted. There is no problem on that one. So similarly, suppose I put so let is rain. So I put something, tomorrow it rains. So let a little late will rain, will rain, let will rain which is equal to true, true, semicolon, right? So it has also accepted. Are you getting me? So let I put something, say let x is equal to null something. We put it here. Let so we write something x which is equal to null. Okay, it has also accepted. There is no problem on that one. Say undefined, suppose I put. Okay, let z is equal to undefined. Can you see it here? Undefined, just better type. So put a semicolon here. So are you getting me? So now these are the things you are able to see it here. So if you want to find the value of all the things, you can see, say for example I write console console, the next one tab console dot log. Okay, this log method I am using, tab console dot log. Then what is the value? Suppose I want to find what is the name, type name. Okay, so and put a semicolon here. Can you see here in the name it is showing Gijana. Okay, suppose I want to type of name, I want to find what is the type of name. Okay, so what I have to do, so console log, here I put type of, are you getting me? Type of name, type of space name, I put it here. So if you put it here, so it is showing it is string, you get it now. So using this type of, you can see the name is string. So similarly, I am putting type of instead of name I am putting it age. Okay, so age, age, type of age I am putting. So enter, so you can see it is showing number, right? But when I'm telling percentage, let us see. So type of what is the percentage? Okay, percentage. So if you check it here, type of percentage, you can also find it here. It is also showing number. There is no concept of floating point here. Are you following me? So that is the thing I wanted to show you. Similarly, I am so trying to type of x and type of z. So type of console type of instead of percentage, just type of x. If you put it x here, type of x, and check it here, so it is showing just an object. You get it now? So x is showing just an object. Are you following me? Here what is x you have taken? Null. So similarly, if I go for z, so type of back z. Okay, so back, so z, right? Type of z, you put a thing here like this, and if you try to run this program, so it is showing undefined. Are you following me? So these are the different type of the primitive data types we'll be using here in our thing. Okay, so you can use all the things for solving this type of things. Okay, say for example, I want to use all the things. Say I declare something strings. So already I have given what is the value of the things. So console, you put something, console.log, my name is something, I am writing it like this. Okay, so suppose I want to use all the things, console, yeah, sorry, I want to use something like this. Yeah, click it here. So console, just you go for this next one tab, console dot log, yeah, we tab it here. Console dot log, I want to put here my name is, suppose here, and at the end you put a semicolon. Yeah, under single quotation. So this is my name. Is my name is there, and after that what you are writing? So you are writing plus, what is the name you are writing? Name. Okay, plus name, name, and shift plus. My name is, you are writing something. Okay, and I am, suppose I want to use it here, and I am, and I am, because these are not to be executed, so put it under this single quotations. So, and I am space this button years. Okay, and I am, say suppose your age you want to type it here. What is the age? You are writing age, age. I am 18. I am 18 age plus. Just put it here. Just before that you put a space here. Okay, then you put it here, years old. Okay, years, years, old, old, sorry, old, old, right? So this is the thing, you put it under this quotation. So this is the concatenation, so you can use all the things. Are you following me? So if I run this program, what the output will come? Okay, enter it here. So it is showing my name is Jijana, and okay, so my name is Jijana. You should put one is there. Okay, I am 60 years old. Are you getting me? So for these things you can do all things. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. Sorry. here, put it here, and put it here. Console my name is this one, put, and I am, so Jijana, you put a gap here, doesn't matter. And I am, put it here, put a gap here, right? So if you run this program, now you can clearly understand what is going to. Now you see it here, my name is Jijana and I am 60 years old, and you can put a full stop here also, period also, that is possible. Got it now? So in this way, you can use all things, whatever things you are using there, you can use all the things, and you can go for the different type of data type. You can go for the type of the data type, all things you can do it here, fine. So this is a very small brief introduction about all the things. The next will be going for the how to write some small programs in our JavaScript. So this is the things I by default used to here. Also online things are there, but we can use one of the editors. So I will prefer to, I will suggest you to go for the VS Code. If VS Code is not there, just to go and download the VS Code and install it there as administrator. So with the VS Code you can do a lot of things. Okay, so till then, goodbye, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. In our next video, we'll be switching to VS Code, and we'll be solving a number of problems on this JavaScript. Thank you once again for watching this video. Take care of health. Bye bye.